broke all the china in the cupboards on that one. In fact, I just talked to some people in a Jeep who turned around and went back. They didn't want to go through another deep one. It is really quiet out here. The last party here, I guess, really was having a party. They dug a deep hole, like 4 feet across and really deep. They also left tin cans in the fire circle, and they cut down green branches, which won't burn. They do make a lot of smoke though, so maybe their Jeep was stuck and they needed to send a smoke signal to get a tow or something. Anyway, I'm smallinating it so I can make a small cooking fire. You guys have seen my campfire meatloaf in a couple of clips in other videos, but I haven't ever shown you my recipe, and this has become a tradition on our family camping trips. I start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef, a small onion diced, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, or just take a bunch of Ritz crackers and pulverize them, and 1/2 packet of McCormick's meatloaf seasoning. Mix it all together, put it in the Dutch oven for an hour on the campfire medium heat. At home I do this all the time, and it's in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes or until the internal temp is 170. Good stuff, Maynard. Okay, I'm going to get this fire going and get my meatloaf mixed up, and I'm going to have supper in a little while. I took it off the fire after a half hour because the fire started out pretty hot. So it's finishing up next to the fire. Yep. So I've made it to the Lake Michigan Recreation Area day use area, which has a playground and picnic tables and stuff like that, but it's mainly a trailhead for hiking onto the sand dunes. And I'm going to take a short hike, climb up to an observation area here. Okay, this is not a hike, this is a climb. Still climbing. I think I'm getting near the top. Huh, oak. This sand dune is completely covered with oaks. Well, I think I'll head back down and to the other side of the river, to the other trailhead area, and head out on one of the bigger hikes. And I think later I'm going to be getting in the water. I don't know how cold the water is. The day is beautiful for hiking. It's going to be about 72 today. Alright. Right here inside the coastal dune, and right at the foot of the big perch dunes, there are campsites. This is in Nordhouse Dunes Wilderness Area. There's 1 mile from the trailhead. I think I'm gonna go get my feet wet. Wow, these dunes are eroding badly here. I'm now about 1.5 miles from the trailhead. I think I'm going to walk the beach back home.